fee, no pain, no gain, brother. Man. The shaking too. Aware. SCSSG. It's sad sometimes. But somebody has to do it, man. That's my blood, son. 5 people evaluate that shit. Yeah, son. Come on, God. Now who we calling now? Next fighter. KT, where you at? You guys be here, we guys be here, everything be here. Left, right. Are you left-handed? Are you right-handed? Where you at? Let me move out the shot.
Pop the head.
So, gents, before we start our first fight, I'd like to hand over to our mesh official, the original hooligan, Stu Zing, to tell us what's going on today. Stu, over to you, G.
Welcome back, guys. Number 1. Let's all. It says a little bit fully.
Always, boys.
Always. Rule number 2.
One way. So, I like to first say, my chance in time. And he's calling it it's out for the money. So, do it and do it right. I don't know that he says that you didn't care that this crowd fell off for my hand. So, chance, when you ready, we ready. Who's going to be going first? Let's do the twin course by the 2. Come on, Okay, your fire Ricardo, your fire Archie, your fire staff. In the guy coin. John the Ew. Head or tail, brothers. That's tails.
It's a bit.
100%. So wona khempana ya ka bona ne o sa mo hlalisa ntwana ka go bua khempana bona ga ka tlela iso go tshebela batho ba tlo hlalisa a se di mano no tshwere shelter di mano no tshwere saka go ntwana a se believe shit. General, are you ready? General, are you ready? Tell her what you must, son. Tell her what you must. Donate 5 people to the homeless. When you my chance. Come on, Faith. 250 na. Ngare la spina ye machance. Fanga la spini wa ne fanga to donate. Come on chance bona ye. Kebata la papa la lancha. Come on tebetsela. No telling you tsang. Khayezi. Come on boys. Ke mango betsang. Focus. Look at the boys. Come on, boys. Arrête de l'autre amani. Okay, Ref, did you want to say something?
I'm running a general.
Round 1, General, Marcel. Come on, Chance. Let's go. Come on, Chance. Come on with that. Ref, come on with that. Come on with that. Come on, boys. Come on with you. Hey, ref. Come on with that, ref. General, Racha. What on it? What is it now? Come on, eh? General again. General, come on, man. Chance one level. Come on, Chance play I forfeit. The temper out. Chenito, maybe you want to mail and find out well in now. General. What's going on? Come on. You just won the round. That man will never give it away. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. The shit. Away. SCSSG. Sad sometimes. But somebody has to do it, man. Hey, KJ, you Mr. One about the you got that champion. Keisha sama nintana sese Allah kota Allah ko ka Keishi atumela ko bona ntona ya ka sakala ikwena mfethu akhi are we calling it ntona Keishi ntona officially you the winner ntona tap out by TKO ke santla ke bona monna betsa balla Kasema ntwana bona utumme ntwana ene la man na go losisitse we mfethu o tshwana be letsa inside ya ntwana ka go ntwana go sebele thank you mafethu awe ntwana cheni ntwana de ntwana awe ntwana sportsmanship first la tewa ntwana ga we ntwana ga go khatisa ya chance so ntwana ref let's get back to the table. How we calling this? Who won this one? Who won this one? Let's officially review it out. Hey, Chance. Swagalan, Refeta again. Alona maybe to say, I hear the crowd. Hey, Chance. Re ba khaola ebe 250 250. Gents. Re ba ka tipa utlwa gents, re tsaya ga khaola 250 250. Rematch. Re ka ya re holela rematch. Re ka KG. Gents. Rematch. Official ref. So KG1, KG, come up to the plate and collect yours in Banayaga. I said, please, if I go Hatis and Banahatis and Jaga, by TKO, tap out and Bana. Here's your money, son. I'll wear Banayaga, and I got so Banayaga. I'll wear. I'll how you want to spend your money? Oh, that's what thank you for your yes, giving us not to open. Thank you, my color. No matter what I say, gonna bring me